As the probe in the Cash for Vote scam widens, the Delhi police have begun questioning Sohail Hindustani, who allegedly tried fixing the deal of the 3 BJP MPs with Amar Singh. Now, the probe widens with Hindustani speaking to the media just before his questioning, saying that Amar Singh offered money to BJP MPs through Sanjeev Saxena. Bhavtosh joining us with more on this. Bhavtosh, we believe that Sanjeev Saxena and Sohail Hindustani are going to be questioned together. What exactly are their roles believed to be?
Look, questioning of Sohail Hindustani is important because the crime branch is looking at the source of the money, from where this money came, which was allegedly handed over by Sanjeev Saxena to the 3 BJP MPs. Sohail has said that he will repeat what he had already told the parliamentary committee, but the crime branch believes that though he claims to be a whistleblower, but he is hiding a lot. In fact, the investigation has revealed that he was also looking and asking politicians that he should be given a certain share from the money which was being given to the MPs. The fact that he was openly soliciting with politicians and telling them that the MPs are willing to change sides and abstain during trust vote make him also guilty of the crime. And that's the reason why he has been called in for questioning. The Delhi police has said that senior officers from the crime branch will question him as soon as as soon as they find some evidence against him. As of now, he's inside the crime branch office, and it's likely that his questioning will continue till late this evening.
All right, Bhavtosh, stay on with us. We'll come back to you. Let's listen in to what Sohail Hindustani said before he went in.
क्राइम ब्रांच को जो जवाब लेके आया हूँ, तो जेपीसी को जो बताया ना पार्लियामेंट कमेटी को, वही जवाब दिल्ली पुलिस को देना है।
क्या बताया था?
क्राइम पुलिस को बताया था कि हम अमर सिंह जी के गए थे, अशोक अरगल जी को, फग्गन सिंह जी को, रमन सिंह जी के कहने पे, रेवती रमन सिंह जी के कहने पे अमर सिंह जी बुला रहे थे पैसे देने के लिए, प्रलोभन देंगे गरीब एमपीओं को, मजबूर एमपीओं को। और जब घर गए तो उन्होंने ऑफर किया, संजीव सक्सेना जी और उनका जो ड्राइवर है जिसका नाम संजीव बता रहे हैं, मैं नाम सामने आया तो बता दूं क्या नाम था, तो पैसे लेके आए थे अशोक अरगल जी के घर पे देने से।
Bhavtosh, still with us. Bhavtosh, very clearly now with Sohail Hindustani naming Amar Singh, as well as the fact that Sanjeev Saxena is believed to be very close to Amar Singh again, this is one name that keeps cropping up.
Yes, in fact, evidence against Amar Singh is building up, and that's the reason why the Delhi police had 2 days back written a letter to Ministry of Home Affairs asking them and seeking their opinion as to how they can question Amar Singh. Amar Singh is a member of parliament from Rajya Sabha, but the alleged crime took place inside the well of the Lok Sabha, and that's the reason why Delhi police is seeking legal opinion before they question Amar Singh. In fact, all the persons who are the key players in this scam have named Amar Singh as a person who is directly or indirectly is responsible for giving money to the 3 BJP MPs in 2008.